Everyone. Hey everyone, I just wanted to tell you that I just have more information. So, regarding the installation of my hex rays, if you go ahead and you open up an instance of IDA, and it'll say it'll pop up. No licenses are available. What you do is you log into your hex rays account. You log in, and then you go to licenses, and then you can, here, let's see, under licenses overview dashboard, go to dashboard, and you go to I'm hoping you get to see this. First of all, make sure that you are verified, KYC status, know your customer, and then you go to subscription licenses, and you should see a license here. You can activate the license, and it'll ask you to download Hex LLC. You download the license, and then when you open up IDA Pro for the first time, it'll direct you to that. It'll ask you to navigate to that license. You click on it, and then you should be granted to the main area. I'm hoping this helps. If it doesn't, keep emailing me, and then I will keep pressing them.